Hey guys, Polly here. The other video is still uploading as we speak, and as I told you guys, I was gonna play to learn the controls. Well, that dude that I just won against, there's another challenge with him. And instead of saying anything, I want to let you guys see it. This time I have weapons, okay? So you would probably think, oh, it would be easier now that I have a sword and shield with me. I'm not spoiling anything. Just when I first started fighting him, the only thing I could say was, damn! Hope you guys enjoy.
Be faster now, motherfucker. No, block! Block, hurry up, block, block, block. Damn it! He's a whole lot fucking faster and stronger.
Kicking my ass. Oh, the fuck? Yeah, so I've only fought 2 other battles. Or matches. Sorry, not battles. And this was the final outcome, so I thought you guys wanted to see this. So, apparently my sword and shield technique is not going to work with him. So, I'm thinking about doing further range, so I'm going to do greatsword. I just bought another gladiator. Name is Lycus. Or, I'm not too good with Roman terms. Now, Greek terms I can do like that, but that's a Roman, so. Now, most of you will probably ask, what's the difference? I'll tell you exactly what the difference is. It's only been 3 minutes, okay. Most people don't, there's really not much difference between them. Mostly what the Romans did is they idolized the Greeks for their power and all that. Oh shit, okay. This was not a good idea. Oh damn, I'm getting my ass kicked even worse than before. Oh shit. Whoa. How the fuck am I losing so badly? How do you do that? I need to learn how to do that. Get... Oh, fuck. Off my... No. You took off my arm. God. Oh. Alright. This is my third time facing him. Last time I fought him took me 3 times. This time I fought him I'm going on my 4th battle with him. And it's only been 5 minutes in. Yes, revive him. So, my sword and shield didn't work. My great sword didn't work, so he's dual dagger and speed. You know what? Let's do this. Wait. Can I get any new daggers? Nope. Not yet. Okay. Dual dagger versus dual dagger for the win. I hope. Only one way to find out. Alright. Wish me luck. 4th time.
Let the combat begin.
Oh, fuck. Oh, you bitch. Come here. Roll. Oh shit, that roll didn't work. Fuck. Fuck. Come on, get up. I'm gonna kill this motherfucker if it's the last thing I do. How the fuck? God damn it, get them. Fuck off for another. Fucking fuck. How the There we go, he's down. Block. Good. No! Mother... Fuck you. Come here. Let me grab you. Fuck. I'm gonna end the video here. Apparently I need more practice before I fight him again. Either that or better gear. I had better luck with the 2 daggers. So I'm gonna do the 2 daggers again, but first I'm gonna get more cash, get better gear, and get more practice. So, until next time, my friends, this is Polychromatic signing out. Peace.